2022. We have Sinettikuja, Sinettikuja, touristic is A, here in Espoo, keskus, Espoo Centrum, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo's region, Finland. It's the only elevator in this residential building. It's Schindler fixtures, very nice. Let's try it. It also deserves 2 lights.
Yeah.
I like the sounds.
Same.
And this beautiful light green color. 5 floors, built in 1993, turning 30 years old in the next year, 2023. It's going to be inspected this year in 2022. The number is 437397. Maybe it's early 1993.
Yeah. Is dit by device maintained by Kony?
Still very fresh.
Yeah.
And that's it, thank you very much for watching. There's nothing special about the lamp up here.
Yeah.
It's just a sign because it's in the shaft.
That's